Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Ioniq number plate bulb, updated. Begin by opening the trunk and locating the license plate light housing, then remove the fasteners carefully with a suitable screwdriver. Work in a well-lit area and keep the small screws in a container. Handle the bulb by the base, not the glass, and test the new bulb before reassembling the housing to ensure it lights properly. Start with the trunk open and a flashlight so you can clearly see the light housing and fasteners. Use a Phillips or trim tool to remove screws or clips, then gently pry the housing free without cracking the plastic. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull straight out to remove the old bulb, taking care not to force delicate wiring. Inspect the socket and wiring for corrosion or damage before proceeding to the replacement step. With the correct replacement bulb in hand, insert it into the socket and ensure it seats fully before twisting clockwise to lock it in place. Turn on your vehicle lights to confirm the bulb illuminates and check for stable brightness and proper alignment. If the bulb fails to light, recheck connections and the fuse. Once confirmed working, carefully push the housing back into position and fasten screws or clips securely to finish the job.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.